Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! I wanted to talk about all of the different stringing materials and wires that we offer and show different ways to use them, because there really is a lot of different stringing material choices you can make on our website, and there's also within those choices there's lots of different ways you can use each of those choices. So I just wanted to show you all the different things you can do with stringing materials and wire, and of course I have links to everything you see here in the video description, so keep that in mind. So let's start with one of the most basic stringing materials, jewelry wire, beading wire. This is a really great stringing material to have on hand for almost any beaded project. You can see here that we've used some stringing jewelry wire here to make this multi-strand pearl necklace. So that's a really basic technique. It's simple stringing, simple bead stringing, and you'll use jewelry wire for that again and again. So really great staple to stock up on. So nice. One of our favorite brands is Art Beads Designer Jewelry Wire. It's really flexible, nice size for all kinds of different jewelry designs, but you can also use it for different things. I love these earrings. These earrings feature some jewelry wire with beads strung on, and then they're linked together to make this really nice hoop, and it's got some movement thanks to the jewelry wire. Not too stiff, and it looks really beautiful. So that's another way you can use jewelry wire. And then this one is a really fun way to use jewelry wire as well. This is made with the bangle bracelet weaver tool, and this is all jewelry wire, just plain, and it looks really cool in that woven pattern. And then there's just a little beaded edge added to each end to give it a little bit of bling. But that's a really cool way to show off jewelry wire as well, and it's really flexible thanks to how flexible that jewelry wire is. And we have all kinds of different options for jewelry wire, beading wire. We even have, I think Softflex makes some beautiful colored jewelry wire, so if you want to match the color of your beads to the color of your jewelry wire, you can do this. But this is a versatile color that works with a lot of different color palettes, and we also have gold jewelry wire. We probably have some copper jewelry wire if you really want to match your finishes. So make sure to check out jewelry wire, because we have a lot of great options for that. We also have beading thread. Beading thread is another staple that you're going to want to keep on hand, especially if you're doing bead weaving. You definitely want some really nice quality beading thread if you're going to be doing some bead weaving like this. And the great thing about beading thread is it comes in a lot of different colors to match the colors you're working with. So for this bracelet, I used a cream colored beading thread. And that matches these gold and beige colored beads really well. So that's a really nice thing about beading thread. You can also use it in wrap bracelets like this. This one features a pink colored thread that really blends in nicely with the leather and the beads. But another fun thing about that is you could also use like a contrasting color if that's a style you want to go for. And take a look at that. There's another button. And beading thread, because it comes in a lot of different colors, is also great for bead embroidery or just simple embroidery. So this cute little pendant kind of combines both. It has some bead embroidery and just some thread used in classic embroidery techniques. And it looks really pretty. I love that. So cute, so boho. Yeah, Carol says she likes the 1G beading thread. Yeah, so Toho makes the 1G beading thread. We have KO beading thread, which is really nice. There's Miyuki beading thread. Hana beading thread comes in really vibrant, beautiful colors. There's Naimo. Wildfire Fireline is a really strong beading thread. So there is all kinds of different beading threads that you're going to want to use for your bead weaving projects, wrap bracelets, embroidery, all kinds of different projects that you can do with beading thread. And then another great wire option is memory wire. Memory wire is going to be a great beginning supply. It's great for quick bracelets and other jewelry designs, and I wanted to show you. So this is just a cute little simple bracelet made with memory wire. I've got some cute flowers and turquoise beads, and it's just finished with little simple loops. I added some ribbon for some extra flavor. So fun. But we also have memory wire coils for necklaces and rings too. So this is a memory wire choker. But what I love about this is I made it as a choker, finished the ends of silk ribbon, but you could wear it as a headband too, or a circlet around your forehead. This is super cute. I want to wear this to the Renaissance Fair. It's just really pretty and princessy, so that's fun too. And there's also memory wire ring coils. So this is just a cute little memory wire ring. So really great, versatile, easy to use stringing material is memory wire. And this is a bracelet memory wire coil, but I used it to make a fun focal at the center of this necklace. So that's another fun way to use memory wire. When using memory wire, it's important to note that it does retain its shape and it's a really strong wire. So I highly recommend using memory wire shears to cut it, because it will damage regular tools if you cut it with your regular cutters. And we also have memory wire pliers for making those simple loops at the end. So those are great tools to use with your memory wire. Now, you've seen some silk ribbon examples already, but we do have some really beautiful silk ribbon, satin, and velvet stringing material options. So our silk ribbon is all hand dyed. They come in 32 to 36 inch lengths. They're all stitched on the edges and ends, so they have a really beautiful finished look all on their own. I used this beautiful color of silk ribbon on this fairy necklace that I made. Super cute, matches the colors of my beads and focal really well. So pretty. And we also have whiter silk ribbon wraps. So this is just a whiter silk ribbon option. Again, hand dyed, gorgeous. And this one just has some cute little beach charms on the centers for a cute little wrap bracelet. You could also wear it as a choker too. Super cute. I love that. We also have some great velvet ribbon options for you to take a look at. This is a velvet ribbon choker, and it's just really simply done. It has little ribbon ends to add the clasp on the ends, and then just some cute little red crystals stitched in the center for a focal. So pretty. And we also have satin ribbon as well. Isn't that pretty? So this is just super simple, just knotted onto this link and then knotted on the ends, and you've got a cute little bracelet that's adjustable in size. So cute. Love that. So there's lots of pretty ribbon options for you. Silk ribbon, satin ribbon, velvet ribbon. I have more stringing material options to share with you. There's also all kinds of cord and yarn options for you. Stretch cord is a great one to have on hand for simple bracelets, or you can even use it in multi-strand bracelets like this ginkgo bead bracelet that I made. This is all done with stretch cord, and we have a few different brands to choose from. Stretch cord is nice because you can just knot it to finish it, and then it's stretchy, so anyone can wear it, and it's easy to take on and off. I finished this one with knots and then just added crimp covers to hide the knots, and those crimp covers really match the edge silver beads that I have here. We have Toho Amient cord. That's a really good cord for something like simple crochet chain stitch or knotting. So this one is just a nice Toho Amient cord, simple crochet chain stitch to add all these beautiful beads. So much fun. This is a great bead soup project. This is another Toho Amient cord example. These are just super simple string bracelets. So they're just done with simple knots, a sliding loop closure on the end. I added some beads on this one. You could do some fun like macrame and braiding techniques. This is like a herringbone weave. Super cute. Just simple knotted pieces. And this one I put some chain on the center. So all kinds of different things you can do with those cords. We also have Chinese knotting cord. It's a little bit thicker, great for like square knot and macrame. So, so cute. Yeah, we have lots of pretty colors of the Toho Amiant cord, Suzanne. I really like the colors too. So, so pretty. We have leather cord in varying thicknesses. This is thicker. I think this is like 3mm leather cord. And these ones are thread wrapped. So you could use some of that beading thread to thread wrap, maybe choose some other threads. This one is thread wrapped with cotton cord, little link added on. We have Griffin silk cord, which is an excellent choice for knotting. This is just a simple knotted necklace with Griffin silk cord and some cute pearls and Fine Rocks tube beads. Super sweet, but you can also use that Griffin silk cord for tassels. So this is just a fun tassel-y look here. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. And it's really fluffy and soft. Beautiful. Cotton tassel cord is another great tassel maker. So cute. I love the sparkle of the cotton tassel cord, and they look all pretty together, and there's a few colors to choose from, so have fun with that. You can use it for string bracelets like these over here too. It makes really great little string bracelets as well. And we even have some fun specialty cord like this patterned cotton cord, which I think looks so striking, so eye-catching, perfect for a boho summer vibe. So don't miss that cord. That's a really cool cord choice here, and I love this design. It just has stacks of jump rings added because there's so much pattern and color happening on the cord itself. You don't need much to dress it up. So just some jump rings for texture and a cute little lotus pendant. So all kinds of beautiful cord options on our website. And last but not least, for stringing, we also have wire, so craft wire. And we have that available in all kinds of different colors. We have copper wire, sterling silver wire, silver filled wire, gold filled wire, all kinds of wonderful wire for you to work with. And that's going to be another staple that you'll want because you can do so much with it. You can do simple wrapping techniques. This is just wire coiled onto a frame to add beads. I also used the wire to make a messy wrapped loop at the top of my pendant. So cute. And you can use wire too to make your own eye pins and jump rings. So this bracelet here, all of these jump rings were made by hand. The wire was twisted and then formed into jump ring shapes and then all linked together to make this really cool textured bracelet. So you can use it to make your own findings and components. Great for making your own little wire wrapped pendants. I love the design of this one. That's a really cool piece. And I just love how that wire, it's being used to add the beads, but it's also creating that whole shape of that pendant. So beautiful. You can use it to make little pins. This is a little shawl pin or kilt pin made out of wire. And then these loops here were added so you could add your own little bead dangles. You can use the wire to make bails. This is a really beautiful bail for this donut pendant. So fun. There's just so many different things you can do with wire. You can even use it to make just cute little shapes for your jewelry. So this one is made with epoxy clay, and the little wire loops were embedded into the epoxy clay to make these cute little flowers that have rhinestones embedded into the surface of the epoxy clay for some sparkle that matches the color of the wire. It's just such a cute piece, and the wire really makes it happen. So, so pretty. I love that. This is another example of wire being twisted and coiled, and then it's just formed into a simple bangle. And I love this little focal here on the bangle. All kinds of different things you can do with wire. You can use it to make little bead frames. So this wire was used to make your own loops or links, and then we use the wire to make these coiled little bead frames to really highlight the beads in this bracelet. So all of this was made with our Art Beads designer wire. So that's really cool. I love how wire just allows you to make whatever your heart desires. Hi, Trisha. Good to see you. And then here's another example of just creative wire work. So it's kind of like a
almost like a bail or a pendant used to display these Dakota Stones pendants. And it's coiled at the ends for a fancy flourish, and then the wire was also used to finish those ribbon ends and secure them to that wire focal. So pretty. So all kinds of different things you can do with wire. We've got so much beautiful cord, ribbon, memory wire, beading wire, all kinds of different stringing materials for you to use, available on our website, artbeads.com. So check out those links in my video description to explore all of your stringing options. There really are so many for whatever technique you're looking to do. We have got some great stringing options